What's the meaning of apportion? Apportion. Apportion.
Apportion. Apportion. The word apportion means to divide or distribute something among multiple people or groups in a fair and proportionate manner. This could refer to resources, responsibilities, or tasks, among other things. The result of apportioning is that each person or group receives a share that corresponds to their needs, abilities, or contributions. This helps to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and that resources are used efficiently. Apportioning can be a complex process that requires careful planning and consideration of multiple factors, but it is essential for promoting equity and maximizing outcomes.